The Duxtop portable induction cooktop burner is a great addition to your kitchen. Before we dive in, make sure to check the price in the description below. Designed to meet North American electrical standards, this compact and lightweight cooktop is perfect for small spaces, RVs, and outdoor cooking setups. It uses a standard 110/120V electrical outlet, making it suitable for homes and kitchens across the region. One of the key features is its digital LCD sensor touch control, which offers precise adjustments. You can choose from 20 preset power levels, ranging from 100 to 1800 watts, and 20 temperature settings between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're simmering or boiling, the Duxtop induction burner adapts to your needs with its fast boil button and keep warm setting for up to 30 minutes at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The child safety lock ensures that your settings are protected from accidental changes, and the built-in timer allows for up to 10 hours of cooking time. The induction burner also includes an auto-pan detection feature. It's essential to use magnetic bottom cookware with a minimum diameter of 5 inches for the burner to work. If no cookware is detected or the wrong type is used, the cooktop will automatically shut off after 60 seconds, ensuring both safety and energy savings. Although the induction process itself is silent, you may hear high-pitched sounds from some cookware due to its construction with multiple metal layers. Make sure to let the induction cooktop cool down before cleaning it, and enjoy the benefits of a modern, efficient cooking experience in your kitchen.